Okay, so we got a small little package. Let's open it real quick. Okay, I didn't know what this one's worth. These are okay. These are the R1 tank pads that go on the side for your knees, so you can get a good grip on the gas tank. It's for the left and right. Got them on eBay. Supposedly has a 3M adhesive on them, so hopefully they stick well. So the gas tank is the one right there, and they're pretty cool looking, black with the R1 logo. And it took 5 days to get here, and hopefully when it's done it's gonna look good. Let me know what you guys think. See you in the next video. I'm about to dip right now, so I just gonna hurry up because I got a few other things to do, and I have another little packages to show you. Peace.